Well, good afternoon. It's a busy time of year. This photo is sent to us from Carmen, showing a farmer out there seeding wheat. And, you know, not a great time to be outdoors right now with the wildfire smoke that we have. So conditions aren't great for that. And in addition to that, there's some showers falling out there as well here today. So some hazards for anybody who is planning to do any activity outdoors. Here's a look at our air quality alert. This has been extended now. It was initially set to expire at noon today, but the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency has extended it until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning for pretty much all of Minnesota at this point, including our counties in our viewing area. Now, North Dakota, the air doesn't suddenly just get better. We don't have an agency here that issues air quality alerts, but we're still dealing, of course, with areas of smoke that's creating some issues with our air quality. And speaking of, in this purple area, including Grand Forks, or rather Fargo up to Grand Forks and surrounding areas, we are in that very unhealthy category, surrounded by the unhealthy range of air quality as well, with the smoke in place. And the area here that says no data in big letters here, that's where unfortunately the EPA does not have sensors. That doesn't mean we're not dealing with some fog or rather some smoke up in that area as well. I've been trying to say fog all day because it looks like fog out there, but it really has been impactful for a lot of folks with lung and heart issues. So again, keep that in mind as we go through the afternoon with that smoke continuing. Here's a look at the latest radar. I've been focusing in on showers moving in now. An area right here in northern parts of Nelson County, stretching up into Cavalier County, producing some more substantial shower activity, especially northern Nelson. Can't rule out a lightning bolt or two associated with this, but otherwise we're looking at some downpours here. And that's moving eastward along Highway 2. Other places seeing some showers as well. Expanding the view farther south and east on the satellite layer here, you see the white from the clouds, and then the darker areas where we have clear skies, some sunshine in the southeast. So sunshine filtered through some hazy skies at least. And this is a big low. You can see that swirl going on here, and that's going to continue to drop through the valley and influence our weather. And there may be enough spin, environmentally speaking, spin around the low that if we see a shower pop up, there's a chance we might see a brief funnel, but it would be that weak kind that we see sometimes as we go through the afternoon. Wind is picking up. We're starting to see it out of the west or north or northwest in between on average, and seeing wind gusts into the 20s. At the moment. Temperatures ranging from 71 in Sisseton to some 40s. Look at Rolla, 39 degrees. Huge difference in temperatures right now. It's 59 in Fargo and 49 in Grand Forks. So watching some areas of rain, some thunder possible into the evening hours up north. And then you see what happens. We see more development spread southward. So some showers will be a factor for us today. Wind coming in out of the northwest, picking up and gusting here as well. So this could have some impacts on your drive time and evening plans. And then eventually we'll see the greater chances for rain diminishing into the late night hours tonight, and we'll start off the day tomorrow with a few lingering areas of clouds and maybe some sprinkles, but I believe we'll see the wildfire smoke move on for now with that wind helping to clear it out, which would be definitely a good thing for a lot of us.
Yeah, because it is tough when you're out there.
Yeah, and you know, especially if you want to get out and do some work outside, maybe you're trying to garden, you know, that can really take its toll if you're sensitive to it.
For sure.